Okay, hello again. This is a video for the last question on home study task 4, and it was the following. So you had two parallel lines like that, and you had a line that's called the transverse. It crosses two parallel lines. You're told that this angle here is x plus 25, and you're told that this angle here is 2x plus 50, and you're told that this is 5x minus 55, and you're asked to work out this angle E. So there are a number of different ways of doing this question. They all involve working out x first, and then using the fact that angle E is vertically opposite 5x minus 55. Okay, so how can you work out what x is? If you look at the top two angles, this angle here and this angle here are called supplementary. Okay, means that they add up to 180 degrees. So what you could do is you could say x plus 25 plus 2x plus 50 must equal 180, because they make a straight line. And if you collect like terms together, you end up getting 3x plus 75 equals 180, and you subtract 75 from both sides, you end up with 3x equals 105, and then you divide both sides by 3, so you get x equals 105 divided by 3, which is 35. Okay, the other way of working out what x is to say that this angle here and this angle here are corresponding. Okay, so if they're corresponding, then it means that they're equal. Okay, so the first method was supplementary angles, using the idea of supplementary angles, and the second way of getting at x is using corresponding angles. As you can see, my handwriting is about as good using this stylus as it is on the whiteboard, so I apologize. So corresponding angles are equal, so we know that 2x plus 50 equals 5x minus 55. So you want to get all the x's on one side and the constants on one side. As the right hand side has more x's on it than the left hand side, I'm tempted to subtract 2x from both sides. So if you do that, you end up with 50 equaling 3x minus 55. And then you add 55 to both sides, you get 105 equals 3x, which is what we had over here by this method. And then you divide both sides by 3, so you get 105 divided by 3 equals x, and we already know that that's 35. Okay, so we've worked out that x is 35. Let's use that. So the diagram was like this, just to remind you. Okay, and this is angle E that you wanted, and this angle here was 5x minus 55. Now we know from previous working that x equals 35 degrees, so E equals 5x minus 55, because these two angles are vertically opposite, so E equals 5 lots of 35 minus 55. 5 lots of 30 5 is 175, minus 55 is 120 degrees. Hope that helps.